Hey guys, Shari Shine here. In today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve an elegant hairstyle using the Heavenly Halo collection from the Main Choice, which can be found exclusively at Target. Let's get started. Using a rat tail comb, I'm going to start at the front of my hairline and make a part that goes around diagonally on the side of my head around to the nape of my hair. Taking a couple of pumps of the Heavenly Halo softening milk, I'm going to moisturize and soften this section prior to detangling and braiding this section of hair around the side. Personally, I opted to do a braid, but you can get creative and do whatever you want. You can do a flat twist, you can do connector plaits. Just make sure that this section goes around to the opposite side of the nape of your hairline. Moving on to this larger section of hair, I'll be creating large 2-strand twists with a perm rod at the end for a twist and curl. As you can see, I am doing this style on old, dry, thirsty hair. It's in need of intense hydration, so I'm starting off with the mother moisturizer of them all, which is water. And then I'm going to follow up with the Heavenly Halo softening milk as my moisturizer. As demonstrated in the video, I am misting my hair with the water, followed by the softening milk, detangling with my Denman brush, twisting this section and applying the perm rod to the end. Let's see this again. Now, if you recall, I mentioned that my hair was old, dry, and thirsty, which is why I opted to use the Heavenly Halo collection from the Main Choice. This line was designed specifically to deliver intense moisture to your hair. People ask, what's the difference between moisture and hydration? Hydration is when your hair lacks water. Moisture is when your hair lacks oil. Now I'm lightly misting my hands with the Serum Oil Mist from the Heavenly Halo collection. This is going to add just a touch more of shine and help reduce frizz while I take down my 2-strand twist. After all twists have been taken down, I'm going to sweep over that hair and secure it with a bobby pin. I used about 3 or 4 bobby pins to hold my hair in place. Once your hair has been pulled over and secured, it's time to add the finishing touches. To complete this look, I'm going to lay down my edges, add some elegant jewels to that braid, and fluff the remaining hair to my desired volume. The ingredients from the Herbal Hair Tonic and Soy Milk Deep Hydration Softening Milk boost hydration, softens, and improves manageability. For more manageable, hydrated, and healthier hair, be sure you pick up the Heavenly Halo collection from a Target store near you or online at www.themainchoice.com. I am Shari Shine, and until next time, peace and blessings.